Assalamu alaikum everyone, what's up and what's going on? Okay, so welcome back to the Jasmy update. Here we go. We're going to remove this technical target. That technical target was met like a boss. We had this particular inverse head and shoulder setup right there, and that inverse head and shoulders really helped things to actually kick to the upside. Now when you talk about patterns and Bitcoin, and then again corrections, if you bring all this topic together, you come up with some conclusion, and these are the conclusion that I have come up with. Of course, the technical target was met, and I told you that you potentially have this another very big pattern right there. Some people can say it's trying to make a cup and handle and then try to go up. Now if it does try to go up, we're going to talk about it later. But for me personally, I was looking forward for this because I told you previously that if you break up like this, come for the retest, hold the retest, boom, you shoot up here. Unfortunately, the retest isn't successful. Some people thought that, oh, this was the perfect retest. It seemed like a retest and it could have been a perfect retest, but the problem is that these coins nowadays on Binance, they're more manipulated. They even hold the retest and then later on destroy the retest. So you end up having your stop losses been taken away, because it has happened to me quite a while. And I've been looking at news all over the world, and they're saying that Binance is manipulated. Patterns are being manipulated on Binance. And that's actually very true, because I've seen it over and over again. Now, anyways, rare case scenario, they actually did end up giving us a little bit of that move to the upside. So thank you so much for being so kind. Wow, amazing. But what is going to happen now is the following, because the daily looks like a picture perfect continuation pattern to go to even to go downside to the lower part, and you have this pennant forming up for Jasmy, and that pennant is going to be giving you a technical target of this correction to go from there to there. This is where coming off. So the pennant, you take the flagpole, and I'm just gonna drag this. I don't know why it's not keep dragging it. Oh, come on, man. All right, so here we go. This is where I'm expecting Jasmy to drop down, 0.004555. That's where you have a little bit of that pennant. If the pennant is going to break down, of course, and retest here, and this is where it's going to retest, and then boom, from there get rejected and go down. However, if you end up coming on top of the flag itself, you invalidate, right? That's not going to be in play. You come up like this, boom, you don't have a technical target, this gets destroyed. And as long as you're not coming up here, this is your pennant, and I do expect a move down, a move back up for the retest, and then a push all the way down to the technical target, which I've already told you. And that's going to be a drop of nearly, from there to there, talking about 22% correction right now. So that's all for this update. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.